guys, welcome back to my channel here at Legal Matters with Yan. And today's video is a very quick one. I just want to do some clarifications and answer those queries that I received recently. I have been receiving emails and questions through Messenger and also to the comments from my YouTube account. Before I go to bed tonight, I issue or this topic that I would like to bring up tonight or to bring up to you guys to this video. It kept knocking on in my brain that I have to answer these informations, though I already answered to these people that asked me personally. But I guess for me this is essential so that I can address the clarifications and to answer those questions that you may able to ask this for yourself or to people, or just to for the heck that you want to know if possible informations as much as you can about this topic. This time it kept knocking in my brain that I have to answer those informations and I have to bring it to the public this time. So anyway, so this is my reasoning why I am vlogging this to you guys about. So this video is about the traffic law in the Czech Republic, or mainly how to gain your driver's license or your DL in short. There are questions like, I am a foreigner in the Czech Republic and I'm holding my driver's license in my country. Let's say, for example, you are a US driver's license, okay? You are holding the driver's license in the US and you have a job offer here in the Czech Republic, and you would like to continue driving it here, or you still want to drive, of course, to explore everywhere in the Czech Republic or the other neighboring countries. So you need your driver's license for that. Now the question is that, can I be able to continue driving in the Czech Republic though I am holding a US driver's license? Yes and no. Yes, because yes, you are capable to drive for a year here in the Czech Republic with your US international driver's license. Well, there is a two difference. You have a driver's license in the US as well as you are holding as well for an international driver's license. So these two are quite different. First, yes, you have the driver's license in the US, and for you to be able to drive outside the US, you have to convert that driver's license into an international driver's license for you to be eligible to drive outside the US. Or this also applies to the other countries such as Canada, Australia, the Philippines. Outside the European Union, you can do that one as well. But it doesn't mean that because you have a US driver's license that give you the right or that give you the supremacy to drive here in the Czech Republic or to the European Union by just having that US driver's license, okay? So aside from the US driver's license, you have to apply that or convert that to an international driver's license for you to be able to drive outside the US, okay? It doesn't matter if you're here in the Czech Republic or outside or only within the European Union or outside the European Union, in Africa or somewhere. You have to make sure that whatever you are holding of kind of driver's license is an international driver's license for you to be able to drive outside your country. All right, so I answered that one now. That's cleared. The next one is all right, I have an international driver's license. I'm going to the Czech Republic. I mean, can I be able to use my international driver's license? So the answer is yes and no. First, yes, because yes, you are capable of driving your international driver's license here in the Czech Republic because you are only allowed to use that for a year. It is only valid for a year. Here in the Czech Republic, I don't know the rest of the countries because they have different regulations and law, their traffic law and their other stuff of that. But here in the Czech Republic, if you're holding an international driver's license, that's only valid for a year. After a year, that international driver's license will become invalid. It doesn't work anymore. So if ever you get an accident, I wish not, and that driver's license stating that you're already living here in the Czech Republic for a year, and you're still using for a year or over a year, and you are still using your international driver's license, that means you are in a bad situation for that. First, because you don't have legal right to drive any vehicle here in the Czech Republic. You already reached the limit of the days of driving here in the Czech Republic, which is a year, 12 months only, or 365 days. Assuming that you have an international driver's license and you live here for almost a year already, and that means that you have already a long-term or a temporary permit of visa to live here in the Czech Republic. Let's see, you have a 1-year validity of staying here in the Czech Republic, which is your visa, your residence permit to stay here, and that's only 1 year. So that means that after a year, you have to go back to your country, or you have to go to somewhere, or either you have to renew your contract here in the Czech Republic given by your employer as the right to work here. So that 1 year could extend. So we're not talking about visas here. I just want to clarify and then to specify the validity of your driver's license here in the Czech Republic. So we're gonna talk visa in the future and things like that, but this video is mainly for the driver's license. So your international driver's license won't be valid anymore after a year of living here in the Czech Republic. If you keep doing that and you know already that you got your contract renewed here and you've been living here for, let's say, 1 year and 1 month, then I should recommend you, or I should hopefully that you should change that international driver's license of yours to be a Czech driver's license. Okay, again, the international driver's license here in the Czech Republic is only valid for a year. Beyond that year, you should change that driver's license into a Czech driver's license. Otherwise, don't drive, okay? Because whatever, if you get caught or something, you'll be in a bad situation. You'll be in a big dilemma. So that's answered the questions there. How long is the validity of the international driver's license, okay, here in the Czech Republic? The next question is that, can I exchange my driver's license? Let's say you have a Filipino driver's license in the Philippines and you live here in the Czech Republic for, let's say, a year, or because you already reached your international driver's license, which is for a year, and you are thinking of if ever you can exchange your driver's license, your Philippine driver's license into a Czech driver's license. Well, there is a possibility, yes, for that. But however, it depends to which country is, because there are some treaties according to the conventions and according to the Vienna Conventions, the 1968, if I remember, under the law of the traffic regulations, that the treaty of the traffic of the road of each countries, there are the list of countries that stating that only these countries are allowed to be transferable to the Czech Republic or to any other European Union. So let's say the Philippines, I'm talking the third country which is outside now the European Union. Let's say the Philippines, if you are planning to give up your Philippine driver's license and you want to exchange that to a Czech driver's license, there are possibilities, yes. However, it depends to the treaty of the country. Like here in the Czech Republic, I'm pretty sure that the Czech Republic is accepting the driver's license exchange from the US. If you are a US citizen and you have the driver's license in the US and you wanted to change that as to become the Czech driver's license, yes, that is automatic. I know that for sure, that is valid. yes, they allow the exchange of that between the US and the Czech Republic. It's an easier regulations that you should have to apply for that. Like you have to just send whatever the required documents, such as your validity of your address here in the Czech Republic, your employer contract, and other documents that provided you or to prove you that you are living here in the Czech Republic for more than the required amount, let's say 1 year. So that's why you are capable of the exchange. However, when it comes to the Philippines, I am not really certain about that. I think they are not allowing the Philippines, your driver's license can exchange to the Czech driver's license here. But if I am wrong, I'm sorry for that, but I'm sure and I'm certain that they're not allowing that. I'm sorry for that. And it's just because they have the list of the countries that they accepted it, and I didn't see that the Philippines was in that list between the Philippines and the Czech Republic. But if I'm wrong, maybe they already changed the law, and because law always change every now and then. So I hope that that's possible, but I don't want to give you a positive thoughts about it. So it's better for you to dig in on that. And if you can wait on my next vlog, I will try to dig in on that if I am right, or hopefully I am wrong. But for now, what I read on the convention treaty, the Czech Republic is only accepting within the European Union's driver's license exchange, and also the US and Canada. Now the UK, of course, that was part of the European Union, but now I'm sure it's also included on the list outside the European Union. But yeah, it is acceptable, but I'm not sure with the Philippines and the other Asian countries. I'm not sure of that. So again, the question is that, is it possible to exchange my Philippine driver's license into a Czech driver's license? Yes, there is a possibility, but I am not sure that the Philippines is part on that treaty list of the Czech Republic, because as what I see read on the context, it's only exchanged to the list of the European countries, between the European Unions, the US, the UK, and Canada. The other countries, I don't know. Hopefully I'm wrong, but hopefully, that's what I'm saying, the law change every now and then, so hopefully maybe that could possible. But for now, I don't want to give you the positive thoughts about it. So it's better, I'm gonna say maybe no, so you could start digging on that. So the next question, am I capable to drive in the Czech Republic? Of course you are. Everyone are capable to drive. No one can stop you on that, as long as you follow the rules and regulations of the traffic law here in the Czech Republic. Let's say again and focus to the Filipinos, because I have a lot of questions from the Filipinos asking about this. Alright, the question is that I am a Philippine citizen and for a job offer in the Czech Republic, and I would like to drive in there. Can I drive there in the Czech Republic? Of course, the question is yes, everyone can drive.